Hello students, welcome back. This is Teacher Lovely. So today we are going to continue chapter 2. Can you please open your book on page 12? You can see 2.2, heredity. Do you know that all living things are made of different cells? Again, do you know that all living things are made of different cells? What are these cells? We have stem cells. Stem cells repair. When your tissue is damaged, stem cells repair that tissue. Bone cells is found in your bone. Blood cells, cells found in your blood. Muscle cells found in your muscles. Fat cells found in your fat. Skin cells is for the cells in the skin. Nerve cells, the one that found in your brain. Endothelial cells, these are barrier, this one here in the middle, barrier for blood and the rest of your body. This one is blood and this is the rest of your body. So this is the endothelial cells. We have sex cells, eggs, and sperms. Pancreatic cells is to maintain your sugar level inside your body. And we have also cancer cells. So these are the types of cells in the body. So there are many cells in our body. So what does the cells help? Or the functions or the importance of cells? First, all living things are made of cells. Living things include plants, animals, human beings, bacteria. Those are living things made of cells. Okay, can you please read in Thai? Thank you. Next, cells are building blocks of the human body. Again, cells are building blocks of the human body. Building, build. They build your body. So cells that are inside your body and they build your body. So, like, look at these pictures here. These are cells inside your body. Can you see this outer part? This is what we call cell. So there are there are many cells in our body. So how does the cell build your body? So from this one here, this small cell, it will build the tissue, and then your organs, and then the organisms. Organ system, and then become organism or human body. So from this tiny one cell, it will build, and become organisms or human body or animals or plants or bacteria. So what is the importance of cells? Cells contain instruction. Again, this part here, this is what we call cell. This one here, the outer part, this is the cell. And can you see this purple one here in the middle of the inside the cell? This is what we call genes. And genes contain instructions. What does it mean contain instructions? It means it contains characteristics. Can you read the Thai? Characteristics. Okay. Genes are characteristics of a living things. Yes, this one here, these are characteristics. This one here, here, and here are characteristics, are called genes. So where does the gene come from? So this is the cell. Inside the cell is what we call genes. But can you see this one here? It's look like letter X. This is what we call chromosome. Again, this is chromosome. And inside the chromosome, it looks like this. And this is what we call DNA. Inside the DNA, these are what we call gene or genes. Where does it come from? Genes comes from our mother and father. Okay? Genes are characteristics that comes from mother and father. Yes. So, like for example, if your mother is an American and your father is also an American, you will get what hair color? Yes, blonde hair. And how about your eyes? Blue, green, gray eyes. And white skin. But if your mother and father comes from Thailand or they are Thai, so you will get probably black hair, brown or black eyes, and fair skin. Yes. If your mother and father are Chinese, you probably will get like eyes, smaller eyes. That. Do you understand? That is the characteristics that we get from our mother and father. Another example, like your nose, pointed nose or flat nose, your height, you're tall or you are short, and what else? Skin color, eyes color, hair color. Those are characteristics that we get from our mother and father. All right, next. So again, we get characteristics from mother and father. What do you call that one? It is called heredity. Again, heredity. What is heredity? Passing on of characteristics from parents to their young. Again, I am going to read it again. Heredity, passing on of characteristics from parents to their young. Like this one, father, mother. And these are the characteristics that they give to their daughter and son. So, can you please open your book on page 16? Let's answer activity 2.2, heredity. So number 1, name at least 6 cells in our body. There are many cells in our body. Can you name at least 6? All right, we have bone cells, blood cells, muscle cells, fat cells, skin cells, and nerve cells. These are some of the cells in our body. Next, number 2, the passing on of characteristics from parents to their offspring is known as, what do you call the one? When the passing, the parents and mother give characteristics to the baby, to the offspring, to you. What do you call the one? That is what we call heredity. Next, number 3, are the structures in the cells that are responsible for the characteristics of living things. Again, are the structures in the cells that are responsible for the characteristics in living things. Again, this one here, characteristics, like hair color, eyes color, skin color. What structure is that responsible for that? What instructions? It is what we call genes. Number 4, what is cell? There are many cells in our body. What is the importance of cell in our body? The building blocks of the human body. Yes, cell build our human body. For your homework, page 16, you're going to answer number 5, A and B. Look at the pictures here. So you know how to answer A and B. So that's all for today, students. See you next time. Goodbye.